Inform or inspire? Does the story that you tell inform people about who you are and what you do, or does it inspire them to want to work with you? There's a big difference in the way that you craft your story, and we've all been told day after day that we need to use stories to be able to sell better. And there's so many people out there now that are teaching how to craft your story. But unfortunately, most of the frameworks that people are teaching how to inform people about what it is that you do. In fact, they might be talking about your background, your credentials, your passion, your challenges, and what you do. And that's basically informing people about you. And that's what we call a static story. It's sit down, have a listen. I'm going to tell you all about me so that you know about me. On the other side of the coin, I've created your bankable story, where in the first 30 seconds, they are engaging with you. They're coming along the journey with you. And in the end, you have actually created inspired desire, inspired desirability. They really know why they want to work with you, what they're going to get when they do work with you. And that is the big difference between a static story and an action story. You're telling the why, and the people are compelled to take action to take the next step with you. So go back and have a look at your story. Is it actually just informing people about you, or is it inspiring them to want to work with you, and why you? Now, it depends on when you are watching this and where you're watching this. I've got some training coming up very shortly on how you can actually build your bankable story that really engages with the audience and takes them on that journey. In the end, they just want to work with you. So have a look around here, see where there's some links, and if you're after the event, you're going to be able to get access to the training as well. I look forward to working with you and taking you from just informing people, telling people about you, to having them crave to work with you. We'll see you there. Cheers.